How to change language in YouTube. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to change language in YouTube. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch YouTube application on your device. Make sure to log into your account and head to the home of YouTube. After that, select profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen and then select the gear icon at top right to access settings section. And then tap on general option underneath account and tap app language. Currently it has been set to English. You can easily scroll down towards all languages and choose the convenient language according to your choice. Simply you need to choose any language and select the small circle next to it. Then your YouTube language will be automatically changed. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.